Connecting Victoria is about making Victoria the most connected state. We're giving Victorians more opportunities to connect with each other and the rest of the world, whether it's for telehealth, trading as a business, or just trading hot takes on Friday footy. Together with our telecommunications partners, we're getting you connected faster and in more places. By 2026, we'll have delivered more than 1,400 projects across the state. In just the first 12 months, we've helped Victorians across more than 260,000 square kilometres get better mobile coverage. We've brought 27 towers into the future by upgrading them to 5G, so Victorians in almost 40,000 premises can get up to speed with what matters most to them. 100 more mobile projects are underway, with planning approval in place and building to start soon. We've installed fibre in 18 new locations, giving more than 13,000 Victorian households faster internet access for work or study, or just smoother streaming of the content they love. More businesses can now focus on building stronger connections with their customers, with access to upgraded internet services through 31 new business fibre zones. So whether it's running your business remotely, video calling your nan, or live streaming your life-changing lasagna recipe, we're improving safety, linking loved ones, and boosting local economies. We're connecting Victoria.